Hey gang, this is Shelly Bates here, your black bag therapist. Hope you guys are having a terrific day today. I am back and want to give you a little bit of insight on where I am with my mindfulness garden. And man, I tell you, there's a lot of things that have happened over the past couple of weeks. So I know I can't turn this thing around, so let me just take you over here and show you what's going on with my garden. As you can see, it is coming along very, very nicely. I'm trying to do this backwards. But as you can see, my tomato plants are just growing. And I've had to replant some things because things just continue to grow so well. And it's coming along very nicely. I'm really enjoying being in the dirt and moving it around and just really looking at the growth. So let me tell you about one of the things that came up while I was doing some replanting. So over the past couple of weeks, it's been raining a lot. And I have to tell you that I was very concerned about, especially my younger plants. I was very concerned about my little seedlings and whether or not they would make it through all of the rain and all of the storms that we've had here over the past week. And as I reflected upon that, I thought about, how resilient, the word resilient just kept coming up. What I ended up doing is, because I have these planters in the plastic containers. Sorry guys, my dog is out here with me. But because I had the planters in the plastic containers filled with water, with all of the rain, the water, of course, started to rise in the containers. So I had to go out to release some of the pressure, I ended up using a sharp utensil to poke holes in the sides at the level that I wanted the water to be at. And so everything is working wonderfully with that. But what I was thinking about is just how resilient these plants are, even in the seedling form. And how we as humans, there is a level of resiliency that is built within us so that we can manage life's experiences. And one of the resiliency tools is our nervous system. Your nervous system is designed for safety. So when there's something that happens, it automatically goes into gear. You might have heard of the fight, flight, freeze. I don't want to say phenomenon, but fight, flight, freeze. What that does is that's an automatic function that is built in for safety. And part of that safety deals with being able to make it through whatever the situation is, whatever the trauma, whatever the danger, whatever is happening. And so just like my plants, after all of the rain, it was so interesting. I was so excited because after the rain, my goodness, I have to show you this real quick. These are my, these right here, these are my cucumber lemon plants. And those plants were over here as seedlings. And after the rain, man, they just sprouted up, just like it was just amazing. And that's what kind of caused me to remember and think about resiliency. So what is your takeaway for today? Within your black bag, yes, there are situations and things that have happened to you that have been traumatic, painful, disturbing, distressing. But you also, in that black bag, is an element of resiliency. Your nervous system is designed to help you, to assist you, to do what it has to do to keep you safe. And so this week, take some time to thank your nervous system for showing up on the scene. Because yes, although you went through those things, if you're watching this, you're still standing and you're still here. And that's important. All right. Hope you guys have a terrific day. This is Shelly Bates here, your black bag therapist, helping you to identify those things that are in your black bag so that you can reframe them, revise them, renew them, so that you can use them as stepping stones in your life today. All right, y'all take care. Talk to you soon. Bye.